1. Let's continue with composite function. Okay, so composite function, we want to discuss the example question by using the flowchart method. Okay, so straight away, step 1. Okay, this is how we want to discuss composite function step by step by using flowchart method. Okay, so step 1, look at the function, determine the composite function f gx. Okay, so now we have fx equals to x squared plus 1 and gx equals to x minus 3. Okay, so this is step 1, and then step 2, insert gx into f and simplify. Okay, step 2, insert gf. Okay, so gf, we know fx, okay, equals to x squared plus 1, and then insert gx. So gx equals to x minus 3, so equals to bracket x minus 3 squared plus 1, referring to the function fx. Okay, and then expand, so you get x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 1, therefore f gx equals to, meaning the composite function of f gx equals to x squared minus 6x plus 10. Okay, simple is that, and then simplify. So this is the answer for f gx. Okay, now the question asks you to find gfx. Alright, so step 3, insert fx into g and then simplify. So we know that gx equals to x minus 3, and then substitute fx into x. So fx equals to x squared plus 1. Okay, x squared plus 1, and then referring to gx, so x squared plus 1, okay, plus 1. Okay, sorry, not plus 1 but minus 3, right? Okay, so x is now become x squared plus 1, okay, and then minus 3. Okay, alright, and then simplify, so x squared plus 1 minus 3, so x squared minus 2. Okay, therefore this is for gfx. And then step 4, okay, find x equals to 1, fg1 and gf negative 2. The question asks you, do you want to find the value of composite function? Of course. Okay, so meaning when is there any value for x, so that means we want to find the value. So the answer is yes. And then continue, step 5, find the value of the inside of the function. That means if you want to find fg1 or fg negative 2, find the value of g1 and g negative 2 first. Okay, let's say f negative 2. Alright, so f negative 2 equal to, right, f negative 2 equals to negative 2 squared plus 1, and then we get 4 plus 1, so therefore f negative 2 equals to 5. And then g1, alright, remember we must find the value inside, okay, of f, okay, or gf. Alright, and then g1, so 1 minus 3, therefore g1 equals to negative 2. Okay, next step, solve the value into the composite function. Okay, one by one. So we know gf negative 2 equals to g, because of gf negative 2 is referring to equals to 5. Okay, and then simplify, right? So equals to x 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Okay, so therefore gf negative 2 equal to 2. And then the second one, f g negative 1. Okay, so equals to, referring to the f negative 1, sorry, not negative 1 but 1, f1, okay, fg1, okay, referring to here g1 equals to negative 2, therefore f g1 equals to negative 2, and then substitute. Alright, so negative 2 power of 2 plus 1 equals to 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Okay, so this is when you want to find the value into the composite function. Okay, what is step 7 here? Do you want to find the value of an object? This is for example gfx equals to, let's say 32. Okay, so this is an example of, do you want to find the value of an object? Okay, Alright, so let's continue with next example. Okay, so this is example how to solve the equation. Okay, it is given that gx equals to x squared plus 2 and hx equals to 3x minus 5. Solve the equation ghx equals to 51. Alright, and then okay, let's discuss the example question. Alright, so we know gx equals to x squared plus 2. Alright, so hx equals to g, right, and then hx equals to 3x minus 5, right? So equals to, and gx equals to x squared plus 2, therefore 3x minus 5 plus 2, referring to gx. Okay, and actually, okay, x squared, okay, x squared, okay, actually, so this is gx equals to x squared plus 2. Okay, I hope you can understand. Okay, when we substitute the value of 3x minus 2, okay, that's why they become like this. Okay, then continue. GHX, okay, GXX, right? So therefore, G, because of GHX, okay, equals to 51. Okay, and then 3x minus 5 squared plus 2 equals to 51. Right? And then simplify. Okay, so we get 3x minus 5 squared equals to 51 minus 2. Okay, when you bring positive 2 to the right hand side, become minus 2. So now it become 49. And then again 2 bring to the right hand side, so it become square root. Okay, so now 3x minus 5 equals to square root 49, but not to forget plus minus when the square root is squared. Okay, so plus minus, and then so therefore 3x minus 5 equals to plus minus 7. Okay, from here, right, for 3x minus 5 equals to plus minus 7. Okay, therefore there are two values we can use here. Okay, equals to plus 7, or 3x minus 5 equals to negative 7. Okay, so simplify. 3x equals to, bring here 7 plus 5, so x equals to 12, therefore x equals to 4. Or, okay, bring, so become 3x equals to negative 7 plus 5, so 3x equals to negative 2, and then therefore x, the second x equals to negative 2 over 3. Alright, so this is how an examples question about composite function, okay, we discussed by using the flowchart method, and also the direct question and simple example question about composite function. So I hope you understand. Until now, thank you.